guys, so here is the final look. It's been about a couple of weeks, and as y'all can see, I did cut it shorter. I did wear it the length that you saw me initially do. I wore that for about a few days, and then I was like, I kind of want it a little shorter. I want because it felt like it was very heavy right here, no matter how much I tried to round it out and make it more of a layered look. It still felt very heavy. So it seemed like every day I was cutting some. And then I finally ended up here. So it gives me kind of like a tapered look, but more of a curly look without me having to actually rod my own hair. Also, I will say, y'all saw me put that mousse on it thinking that the frizz would calm down a little bit, and it did not. So this is definitely a frizzier texture type of hair. No matter how many times you try to put mousse on it, it will not calm down the frizz. So it's just a frizzier brand of hair. But like, would I do this with a whole head of hair? Probably not, only because I feel like it would be frizz city quicker. I feel like it wouldn't take like absolutely no time for it to turn into frizz city. So my personal choice, I would not choose this hair to do a whole head. Maybe like a cute little puff or a fro hawk. Even if you don't have, like, you know, the shave size or whatever, you could always just braid it up into a cute and install the hair to a cute little fro hawk or whatever. So yeah, that's my thoughts on this hair. Would I buy this hair again? Probably not, unless I'm probably going for like a cute little curly style like this, then sure, why not. So yeah, I've had this hair in for now about a little over 2 weeks, and I'm ready for something new. Although it was super cute while it lasted, but I'm definitely ready for something new, guys. So that is my final thoughts on this hair, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I will catch you guys on the next Candy's Hair Diary video. Peace.